Hello again. One additional thing for the Linux users, actually the install and download process is the same. You download it, extract it with the password and use it, but you have some little differences like always. And if you go to the simple documentation from the main menu, you can see what to do. And that is that it's wise to make all the exe files executable with sudo changed plus x. You can either do star.exe if you are lazy, or just want to use this pattern here. In addition, everything like count file has to be executable, and yeah, as I already mentioned in the video before, with first time you have to start and run with administrator rights to be sure that antivirus is calmed. Yeah, and that's just what I want to add as an information. Yeah, don't forget to make it executable, and it cannot be wrong to make it your own, so we have no rights problems there. That's it.